Hey everybody, this is TecX and welcome back to another amazing blazing update from Realme Update. So I am back with an amazing Realme series, and this is your Realme Narzo series, and this is one of the successful series from Realme. So today we are going to talk about your Realme Narzo 20, which got your January security patch, January and February security patch update. So actually it's February, and I think they haven't given any update of your January, so they just mentioned here that it is your January February. So basically it is your February 2022. So we will be discussing everything which you need to know about this update, so stick till end, and I'm just beginning this video. So I'm in your software update section of your Realme Narzo 20, and currently this phone is running on your Realme UI 2.0 and Android version 11, and this is your official version and version up to date, and you can see here date, and you can see here your version name, that is your RMX2191. And if you don't know your version name, so you must know this is your version name for your Realme Narzo 20. And let's come to our important section, that is your about this update. So this release include Android security patch that I already discussed here earlier, and fix some known issues and improved system performance, that what we always wait for an update. So when we come to our update log, so security regarding this is your update Android security patch, and it is, you can see here, January and February 2022. So just don't worry, you must have to be subscribed and for not missing any update from my side. So let's come to system, and it is your optimized system performance and improved stability that everyone want with phone. Everyone wants stable and more bug free, and so that you can enjoy a phone experience. So you can see here, to view more you can visit your Realme community. So if you wanted, I will put link in description, just check out if you want. And this is the whole update for Realme Narzo 20. And so what are you waiting for, guys? Just go to your setting and hit your update icon and just update it now, because every update counts. And hope so they will soon release your Android 12 and 3.0, and that day is not far, and I am just preparing for that day. And if any update regarding that phone will come, I will definitely make video, and you just have to be subscribed to me and hit that bell icon, so if that so that you don't will miss any kind of update. So this is the whole update, and if you really find this video helpful, share with your friends and family, and for not missing any updates, must subscribe. And thank you for watching, and go and update your phone. So I will be seeing you next amazing update from Realme Updates. Till then, bye bye, take care, and see you in